So for this one, I'm going to just show you how to draw a parabola and a rectangle. So the rectangles are going 2 different ways. So we have to watch out where the vertex is. So the vertex is the top of it, and this is going to just divide it straight down the middle. So it's going to be the same on both sides of this. So if you're clever, you can just draw one side and copy it over here. So I've got to divide from here to here on the 4, and from here to here on the 4. So I'm going to do that by division line. So draw a line, any angle, any length. Get your compass, set it to anything, take off 4 times down here. The fourth one, you join this to the end of the line, like this. Then you put your set square, or a set square underneath it, and slide the top one. That's just called division by sliding set squares. So that gives us 4 points along here. You can do the same on the top here, just in the bottom, and divide from here to here and 4. You can do 8 for the whole thing if you wanted to. So take off your 4 times, join the last one to the centre, put your offset square underneath it, and move this up. So for this, these lines come up the same angle as the vertex, as the center line. So this is V. We go from the vertex out 1, 2, 3. We start at 1. We skip the corner and we call this 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 always join back to the vertex, which means that the top 1, 2 and 3 are already joined. So we join the side 1, 2 and 3. And these give us these lines. So the points on it, this is a point on it, A is a point on it, B is a point on it. The other points are where 1 crosses the line from 1, that's a point. Or 2, the line to 2, crosses the line from 2. So line from 3, crosses the line from 3, that's a point on it. And it's drawn in freehand. Try and keep the top nice and rounded, not sharp. The end part is the hardest part to do it, and it's nearly straight really. The last bit is nearly straight, and these are a bit harder. To get the points over here, you can do the same thing, or as I was saying, there's an easy way we can copy them across. So the points on the curve, I'm just going to bring them straight across. I'm going to use the center line as an axis, and I'm going to mirror them about this axis. To that point, again. That point is here. This point is here. And this point here is here. And these will go straight down like the other one. So join back the same as the other one. Take your time with the curve, please don't do it as quick as I'm doing it. So that's that parabola. The next one is very similar, only it's going sideways. So you have to divide this into 4 and this into 4. But what you should check is to see if it's a nice number to divide up, which this happens to be. This is 80, so that'll divide nice and easy. We want it, so you may not have to do division lines. And the top here is 40, so that's also nice and easy. So the way that we do it is that if this is your axis, these lines come parallel to the axis. The numbers go V, 1, 2, 3, skip the corner, 1, 2, 3. V goes to 1, 2, 3, V is already joined to 1, 2, 3 here. So we bring V to 1 here, V to 2, and V to 3. And the points go over 1, cross the line from 1, 2 cross the line from 2, and we're line to 3, cross the line from 3. Get the points on the bottom, we mirror them over the axis again. Or you can do it the same as before, it's just longer. You get the same with the marks whether you do it for the way that we did it first or whether you just do it in the short way. That's that point. That's that point. That's that point. So that is 2 parabolas drawn, side and 2 rectangles.